Hey friends, welcome to One Flight Down Basement Beer Tastings. Today I'm checking out a beer from the Beaches Brewing Company in Toronto. This is called Budgie Smuggler? All right, so this is a beer I got from the Alkanauts, Ray and Paul. If you've not checked out the Alkanauts, please do. Their channel is awesome. They do some great beer reviews. They've each got their own take on things, and the editing on their videos is super slick. Yeah, I really like their videos a lot. They sent me a box of beers about a week ago, and I did a live unboxing, and I asked people to let me know what beer they thought I should do first. And there was a few of them got votes, but this one was pretty overwhelming for Budgie Smuggler. Little bit of advice, don't ever Google Budgie Smuggler, especially on a work computer. Just some advice for you. Not that that happened to me, but man, yeah. So Budgie Smuggler is an Australian sparkling ale. Interesting. 5.5% alcohol. Yeah. Sparkling ale. Let's crack it open and give it a try. No idea what to expect out of this. I actually did see Ray and Paul review this a while back. And all I really remember is the thumbnail. I don't remember what they said about it. I could have gone back and looked, but I thought, no, I'll just get my own take on this. So it's a pretty clear beer. I'm sure you can see my face in there. And it's like not super light. It's a little more of like a golden color rather than that like kind of pale yellow you get with some beers. On the nose, just a bready note. Not really anything different about it. Just a little bit of just a bready note that you get with a lot of craft ales. All right, going in for a sip, friends. Cheers. Okay, it's a decent beer. Like I said, it does have a breadiness and a taste too. With the name Australian Sparkling Ale, I don't know why I was expecting maybe something like a little more of a fruity note to it or something. Just the word sparkling just somehow brought to mind sort of what's the word I'm looking for? Like seltzers, that kind of thing. But no, it's pretty much, you know, it tastes like just kind of a regular old ale. It does have a pretty interesting body to it, though. Like a touch on the lighter side, but not too light. It's got a smooth mouthfeel. It's not a bad beer. I don't know if it's something in the suggestion of the term sparkling ale, but I just feel there's just like an extra little bit of fizz as you take that sip initially. Yeah, that's a pretty decent beer. What else does it say on the can here? Not a whole lot. It's some great artwork on it and everything. I was in Toronto recently. I was a brewery that came up in my searches, but it wasn't really near any other breweries, so we didn't check it out. But yeah, it's a pretty decent beer overall. Nothing like mind-blowing or whatever, but it's pretty refreshing. I would recommend this to someone. I would have it again if someone had it. And yeah, I would say yes, I'll have that Budgie Smuggler. No problem at all. Yeah, pretty decent beer overall. Thank you to the Alkanauts, Ray and Paul, for sending this one over to me. I've got a few other beers from them that I'm looking forward to getting into. And thanks to the rest of you for dropping by the Terry Isle Basement Pub. We'll see you all again real soon, my friends. Cheers.
Go